Come on and sit, please.
बैठ जा।
Miss Kritika Srinivasan, ma'am, please come on the stage and take a Mr. Udbak Basood, sir. Dr. Bhavna Malik, ma'am. Mr. Praveen Kumar, sir. And Dean of HOD Department, Dr. Neha Mittal, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I am Himani Kanujia
Harsh.
and I am Gargi Singh from ECE department. We, on behalf of MIET, would like to welcome you all to the inauguration ceremony of the workshop on Advanced UAV for monitoring using machine learning. Our limits have already got barriers where we have set up them, but it's only up to us to go beyond our limits to explore our qualities and have the finest of them. So, we need to dream beyond what is possible. This workshop is organized by MIET in collaboration with Sihan IIT Hyderabad. Sihan is the first autonomous navigation facility. It aims at making India a global player in the futuristic and next generation smart mobility technology. This 5-day workshop is designed to make attendees acquainted with the software and hardware related technology. The use of machine learning will make this player in the workshop a platform to present the drone with analytics technology. The modules that we deliver during the workshop are: on day 1, we will cover transceiver module, designing for flight controller. Flight controller will need a transmitter and a receiver. Instead of opting for embedded module, which will be a better option but time consuming for a day work, we will opt for designing it through system of both for both ends. Other modules will include accelerometer, gyroscope, ESP module, etc. at transceiver end and NRF LO1 and another SOB transmitter end along with switches to operate different modules. On day 2nd, assembling of drone, the previous kit bought during Sihan first workshop will be utilized for assembling details and other facts related to the positioning and flight controlling, followed by assembling of drone by students themselves. On day 3rd, simulation using AI drone, simulation and FPV FreeRider. Simulation helps students to understand the various terminologies related to FPV for the drone with camera and how the AI can be incorporated in the drone. On day 4th will be an application and monitoring processing using machine learning. The application of machine learning and its basic along with necessary filter and algorithm to recognize and understand the gesture via drone. It will also include the data visualization. And day 4th, there will be a guest lecture on application of machine learning using UAV, discussion of various use cases on drone utility which are possible due to machine learning. Instead of just flying and controlling, it will be delivered. It gives me immense pleasure to extend my warm welcome to our patron, Chairman Engineer Vishnu Saran sir, Vice Chairman Mr. Punit Agrawal sir, Director of MIET Dr. Vijay Singh sir, and Dean Academics Dr. Bhavna Malik ma'am. I would also like to welcome the Head of Department Electronics and Communication Engineering Dr. Neha Mittal ma'am. I am profusely overjoyed to take this opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the day, Mr. Narendra Gaur sir, Vice President of IHFC iHub Foundation of Cobotics. IHFC was established partnering with the Department of Science Technology, DST, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. The guiding theme for this venture is human-robot collaboration for enhancing human capabilities, reducing risk and improving productivity. A total of 100 plus faculty from IIT Delhi and other IITs, IIITs, NITs and universities around the world have agreed to be a part of the venture in the addition to industries like TCS, Samsung and Wipro. We are honored to have you here, sir. Mr. Gaur sir is accompanied by Ms. Kritika Srinivasan, Center Head Innovation Center, Drone Technology Park, IIT Delhi, Sonipat Campus, and Director Operation Jet Aerospace. She did her PhD in Aeronautical Engineering and served previously as an ISRO IIRS Outreach Program Coordinator. It's an honor to have you on campus, ma'am. Now I would also like to welcome our speaker, Mr. Praveen Kumar sir, who has been a part of top tier recruited companies and continues to inspire many with his unwearying hard work and vision. He has been guiding projects as industrial mentor for many years now. Mr. Praveen sir is accompanied by Mr. Udbhav Basu sir, who has been a patent registrar and has been a drone contractor for the Indian government. Currently, he is developing farming experts for UAV, NDRF and IAF with his team. Thank you sir for taking time out of your busy schedule to share your knowledge with us. Now, I would like to request the management to felicitate our guest. Now, I would like to request Dr. Bhavna Malik ma'am to felicitate Mr. Narendra Gaur sir. I would like to request Dr. Neha Mittal ma'am to felicitate Ms. Kritika Srinivasan ma'am. I would like to request Dr. Subodh Tripathi sir to felicitate Mr. Praveen Kumar sir. And I would like to request Ramesh sir to felicitate Mr. Udbhav Basu sir. Thank you sir and ma'am. Now I would like to request all dignitaries to kindle the lamp to seek the blessing of Lordess Saraswati.
He shall
Thank you, sir and ma'am. Just like a bicycle requires two tires, in the same way for a seminar, both the speaker and audience hold the same value. So, I would like to welcome our audience for this workshop from respective colleges. JB Group of Institution Meerut, Visveshwarya Group of Institution Dadri, AKGEC Ghaziabad, RKJIT Ghaziabad, BIT Meerut, MIET Meerut, MIT Meerut, Diwan Group of Institution Meerut, Subhati University of Meerut, Bennett University, DIT University, Bhagwant University.
I would like to thank Sihan IHFC Reviewing India on behalf of the Meerut Institute of Engineering and Technology for joining us today for the workshop of Advanced UAV for Monitoring Using Machine Learning. Now I request our Dean of Academic, Dr. Bhavna Malik ma'am, to come on the stage and share a few words of wisdom with all of us.
Very good morning. I, on behalf of MIT Management College, MIT, welcome our chief guest today, Mr. Narendra, and other guests from industry and other experts. I would like to welcome all the audience here, as mentioned few minutes back, who are participating
event, I would like to request the Head of Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Professor Dr. Neha Mittal Ma'am, to come up on stage and declare the event open.
A very good morning to one and all present here, respected Dean Ma'am, Mr. Narendra, Dr. Kritika Srinivasan, our speaker of today, Mr. Praveen Kumar and Mr. Kotha Basu, and all the participants, faculty members, attendees, please accept my warm welcome in this workshop. This is another step forward by the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in collaboration with TIHAN, Technological Innovation Hub Autonomous Navigation, IIT Hyderabad, to bridge the gap between the academia and the industry. Also, I'm very hopeful that all the participants will get the very wonderful experience, hands-on experience through this workshop. At the end, I declare this workshop open. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to request our chief guests to share their knowledge with us.
मदद करवाते क्वेश्चन करना तुम वॉलंटियर है ना तो जा मदद करवा